Jeongrila. Hello everyone. Welcome to the last class of my reading series. I'm your Korean instructor, Jeongrila, Jeong. Wow, I can't believe this is going to be our last class. I still feel like I just started the first class, but wow, I really hope you have enjoyed my classes. With this joy and sadness, let's slip into our last class, shall we? If you get satisfied with my video, please subscribe and click like. Thank you. Okay, first, take out the storybook and a pen together. If you don't have the book, you can purchase it by clicking the link in the comments and the description section down here. Good. Now that you get ready, let's get started. Open your book and let's move to page 21. Okay, the second sentence. 탐욕 1세는 다른 사람을 배려하는 마음을 잊지 않기 위해서 자신의 이름을 성군 1세로 바꾸었어요. Okay, first let's focus on the sentence structure. 탐욕 1세는 subject 자신의 이름을 성군 1세로 바꾸었어요. This is our sentence structure. So, 탐욕 1세, it's his name, right? The king's name. 탐욕 the first. 바꾸었어요. 바꾸다 is to change. So, 바꾸었어요. Changed, right? So, 탐욕 the first changed. 자신의 이름, his own, right? His own 이름, name. So his own name, his name is 탐욕 1세, right? So his own name, 탐욕 the first. 바꾸었어요. 블라블라로 바꾸었어요. So you have to focus on the expression 블라블라를, 블라블라로 바꾸었어요. It means to turn A into B or to change A with B. You can understand me, right? So, 탐욕 the first changed his name with 성군 1세 or turn this name into 성군 1세. Okay? And 성군 is named here. However, it also has some meaning. It originally means a great leader or a great king. That is 성군. Okay, 성군. Then, what is 다른 사람을 배려하는 마음을 잊지 않기 위해서? This is just an adverb clause. So, 블라블라 하기 위해서, in order to, 블라블라지 않기 위해서, in order not to, and 잊다, 잊지 않기 위해서. 잊다 is the base form, 잊다 is to forget. So, in order not to forget, what? 마음을, what 마음? 마음 is his mind, right? His mind. What 마음? 다른 사람을 배려하는 마음. So 다른 사람을 배려하는 modifies 마음, right? So think of it like a relative clause. So 다른 사람을 배려하다. 다른 사람을 other people 배려하다 is to consider. So the meaning of this whole sentence is 탐욕 the first changed his name with 성군 1세 in order not to forget his mind that considered others first. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 그 후 동그라미 왕국은 무척 크게 번영하게 되었어요. First, 그 후, after that, 동그라미 왕국은 the 동그라미 kingdom 무척 크게 번영하게 되었어요. First, 무척, very, and 크게 is actually hugely, largely, like that. And 번영하게 되었어요. 블라블라 하게 되었어요. To get to, right? To get to blah blah. Then what is 번영하다? 번영하다 is prosper. So the meaning of this whole sentence is after that, the 동그라미 kingdom got to prosper very hugely. You can understand me, right? Good. Turn a page. Okay, first sentence. 달림은 이런 왕의 변화에 크게 기뻐하여 밤마다 더욱 밝은 빛을 주었고. Okay, up until this part. First, 달림은 the moon, right? And we have to focus on this 여. Okay, blah blah 여. When you see this kind of conjugation, blah blah 여, in that case, you can think of it like because. So it means some reason. So 달림은 이런 왕의 변화에 크게 기뻐하여. Because 달림, the moon. And you should also focus on the phrase blah blah에 기뻐하다. blah blah에 기뻐하다. What is blah blah에 기뻐하다? That is like to be delighted at blah blah. To be delighted at blah blah. Okay? Good. So, because the moon was delighted at 이런 왕의 변화, 이런 this 왕의 king's 변화, change. Okay? And 크게 is hugely. Okay? That's good. And 밤마다, blah blah 마다 is every blah blah. 밤 is night, right? So every night. 더욱 밝은 빛을 주었고, 더욱 is actually more. And 밝은, bright, 빛, light. And 주다 is to give, right? And 주었다, gave. 주었다 그리고 gave, and, right? So the meaning of this whole sentence is, because the moon was hugely delighted at this king's change, he gave brighter light every night. You can understand me, right? And every night, and 동그라미 왕국의 왕 성군 1세와 마을 사람들은 오래오래 평화롭고 행복하게 살았답니다. Okay, first, 동그라미 왕국의 왕, the king of the 동그라미 kingdom, who, 성군 the first, right? 성군 the first. blah blah 와 is and, okay? So and, 마을 사람들은 people in town, 오래오래, for long, 오래오래 is for long, 살았답니다. 살았답니다 is 살았습니다. Okay? So 살았답니다 is 살았습니다. Just think of it like that. So 살았답니다, 살았습니다. lived, right? So lived. 평화롭고 행복하게, 평화롭게 그리고 행복하게. So 평화롭게, peacefully, and 행복하게, happily. So the meaning of this whole sentence is, the king of the 동그라미 kingdom, 성군 the first, and people in town lived peacefully and happily ever after for long. You can understand me, right? Good. Then the whole sentence, the meaning of this whole sentence is, because the moon was hugely delighted at this king's change, every night he gave brighter light, and the king of the 동그라미 kingdom, 성군 the first, and people in town lived peacefully and happily ever after for long. You can understand me, right? Good. From now on, repeat after me from the beginning to the end. Let's go. 탐욕 1세는 다른 사람을 배려하는 마음을 잊지 않기 위해서 자신의 이름을 성군 1세로 바꾸었어요. 그 후 동그라미 왕국은 무척 크게 번영하게 되었어요. 달림은 이런 왕의 변화에 크게 기뻐하여 밤마다 더욱 밝은 빛을 주었고, 동그라미 왕국의 왕 성군 1세와 마을 사람들은 오래오래 평화롭고 행복하게 살았답니다. Well done! Did you enjoy the ending of our story? I really hope you did. For the last 11 weeks, we have studied together. I have put a lot of efforts into this process to help you understand the story. I really hope I could at least give you a small help for your Korean study. Good. After this series, I'll take some break for the next series. Until then, please reread the storybook and review what we have learned. Thank you all. I'm really proud of you. Then, enjoy your day and see you next time. Bye bye.